welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I like lost the hype. I need a hype man over here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, why? Go ahead and do so. And hit the little bell so you get notification of all of my uploads. If you've already subscribed, you're my little doll, baby. Hi, doll, baby. So happy that you are here. I feel like I need a little lip gloss. I don't know why. I got this cute little lip gloss. This is a scented lip gloss in the scent Pineapple. I got this from Francesca's for like, I don't know, $3. It's got these like flowers in it. It's got the like totally 80s lip gloss ball, which brings me back to my youth. I'm pretty sure I said youth. Now that I'm done playing around with my lip gloss, today is a special video because this is an accessories haul, a hair accessories haul. I want to start using those more on my channel, so I went and got some and I want to share them with you. Also, I've been wearing half wigs more, and like you need a headband so I can make them a headband wig, and so I wanted to get more headbands because I didn't have many. This beautiful half wig is Dandy from Sensational. I have her in the color Flamboyage Mocha. You should see a review of her and also a demo on how to put half wigs on. So let's just get to the fun stuff in here because there's a lot of fun stuff. Let me start with this. These are so me. These are these like huge clips. They look metal, but they're plastic, but whatever. I got them from TJ Maxx for $3.99. But like seriously, I just feel like using these are gonna be so adorable. So I got that. I also got these, they have like sort of that coating on like some phone cases have, kind of. It's like a soft coating, but it's like a comfort touch coating. And these are some hair clips. I got them from TJ Maxx for $4.99. There's in sort of blues and greens. I just really like the color scheme and I thought that they were kind of nice. I don't have any clips this size. And so I think that will be very beneficial. So I got that. I also got these fun scrunchies. Dude, these look like scrunchies I actually owned back in the day. Especially this one, which is this like gray sort of ruffled one. And they used to get so dang dirty. Like this would have been so dirty in my drawer. I got this one, which is a sort of like lavender smoke color in the velvet. I rocked velvet in the 90s like there was no tomorrow. This one's also a velvet and it's in this sort of flowered pattern. This is just so 90s, like legit. So I got these so I can put the hair up because I was using, I mean, I cut my hair off a long time ago, so I didn't have a lot of hair ties, but I did find a few, and I have a lot of like these, and I just thought, A, these are back in style. A, I would have rocked them even if they weren't. And then I also got, this is metal. I got this for $3.99 from Ross. Look how beautiful that clip is. I mean, I'm gonna jazz a look up so much with this. Oh, next I got just this 6-pack of clips because I had a bunch of these, but I didn't have any that were black or gray. I wear a lot of black and gray, so I was like, why don't I have black and gray clips? So I do now. I got them for $5.99. from TJ Maxx, I'm pretty sure. And so I got those. Some of them are like sparkly and clear. Some of them have sort of like that, you know, they're plastic and then they have confetti chips in the resin. This one's a black sparkly one as well. So I really love these. I got this headband on clearance from TJ Maxx for $2. It is a beautiful sort of faux, it's a velvet headband. I want to try it on. We're going to do a little bit of a try on in this video. I'm going to clip this. And we're going to try it on with this half wig. So I'm going to take down my headband that I have. Oh my goodness gracious. So just put it on right about there. So I have this half wig like slid a little bit farther back just so that I can wear the headband actually in front of the half wig so it's not too bulky. So like this is where the half wig starts and I'm actually pushing my headband into that. Oh my gosh, that looks so adorable. Isn't that cute? That is so cute. Ugh. So that is the black one that's velvet. I got one that's the same style and it was also on clearance for $2 and it's sort of the pleather. It looks like it's a hair thicker. Let's try this one too. So you can see I had the headband sitting here. Then it like alleviates some of the, oh yeah, that's thicker. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That is so adorable. Oh my, it's very comfortable. And then next I got this beautiful girl, which is this sparkly, beautiful black headband. Oh my god, I got it for $9.99 at TJ Maxx. It's actually like puffy, like soft. I'm gonna pull this forward just a little bit. Okay, I had to take the half wig off and get it back together. It was not sitting in the right place, but this headband is so adorable. Again, I would have to really add some more leave out in the front to wear this particular headband, but I still think it's so pretty and I love it. So I got that one. Next up, I got from Walmart is this on-trend one-piece head wrap. And it's one of these, but it's a lot bigger. And it also has like these silicone grabbers on them. So I'm excited to wear that. I also got this faux velvet, which I love. So blue velvet. It's a faux velvet. I also got this for Walmart. I think for like $4 or $5. The last one I got from Walmart is this Goody one. And again, there's like $4 or something like that. Those are the accessories that I got. If there's any of them that you like in particular that you would like me to use more, go ahead and put that down below. If you have accessories that you like to wear with half wigs, also put that down below. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.